Here's a look at the February 2025 issue of Cleaner magazine, brought to you by TRUVAC. TRUVAC is a premium brand of vacuum excavator trucks and trailers designed to safely dig around underground utility lines and pipes. When it comes to quality, engineering, innovation, and reliable service, no other vacuum excavators can match TRUVAC. Please visit truvac.com. In our cover story, Devco Development and Engineering is making waves in California's utility construction industry with TRUVAC Hydrovac units and a focus on challenging projects. Backed by diverse expertise, they're tackling tough jobs and setting a new standard for efficiency. Chicago's Rescue Plumbing is setting the bar high for emergency plumbing services with its commitment to being a true 24/7 operation. From after-hours calls to holiday emergencies, this team is always ready to show up when others don't. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something to learn at the Wet Show. Get a sneak peek into what makes this event a must-attend for the water and wastewater crowd. Check out how TLC Services leveled up with a Hydrovac truck. From tackling tricky digs near gas lines to boosting productivity with remote controls, this workhorse is paying off big time for this Montana crew. How do you inspire the next generation to enter the plumbing trade? Show them the bigger picture. Here's how you let them know that plumbing isn't just a job, it's a lifeline. From smoke testing to camera tricks, find out how to spot leaks, blockages, and pipe problems before they cause chaos. The NASTT 2025 No Dig Show is heading to Denver. With top-notch training and cutting-edge tech, this event is a must for anyone in the trenchless industry. Field tech just got smarter. From AI-powered defect coding to GPS-enabled asset tracking, the latest tools are all about efficiency and precision. Say goodbye to noisy, bulky equipment. The Aries Wolverine 2.0 is an all-electric, one-size-fits-all cutter that's built for precision and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.